Is your computer showing storage full, but you can't find the space? We've all been there. In this video, we'll walk you through safe and effective ways to reclaim storage space on both Windows and macOS. Over time, our computers accumulate a lot of unnecessary files. Don't worry, we'll show you how to tackle it without nuking your important data. Our goal is to help you free up space safely, covering temporary files, caches, system folders, and even old backups. Let's start with Windows, focusing on key areas that often consume a lot of space. First, use disk cleanup for system-generated temporary files. Then, manually clear the %temp% folder and your browser caches. The WinSxS folder can grow large. Use disk cleanup's cleanup system files or the DISM command to reduce its size safely. Now for our macOS users, we'll cover Time Machine and local snapshots. Ensure your Time Machine is backing up to an external drive. If it's not connected, local snapshots can accumulate. To delete local snapshots, use the "munal list local snapshots" command in terminal to identify them. Then "munal delete local snapshots" to remove them, freeing up significant space. Finally, let's hunt down those elusive space-hogging files and folders on both platforms. Use your operating system's search functions to filter files by size or date. Third-party disk analyzer tools can also provide a visual overview. Go through your downloads folder, delete old software installers, and consider using duplicate file finders to remove redundant copies. By following these steps, you can safely and effectively free up valuable storage space on your computer. Don't let IT issues hold you back or slow you down. Help is available. For AI-first IT support, give Maddie at Asambe a try. She offers reasonable and intelligent responses to your IT issues. You don't have to give up when facing computer problems. Reach out and get the support you need.
Hit that subscribe button below and join our community.